I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by feeling the basic heartbeat, unstressed then stressed. Count syllables aloud until you reach 10. That gives you 5 iambs. Once done, choose a clear, concrete opening line. A simple statement helps place the accents naturally. You will likely adjust word order to preserve the da-dum pulse. Make sure to read it slowly, tapping the rhythm. This immediate practice trains your ear and fingers to place the stresses before you write the next line. Now you expand with attention to both sense and beat. You write the next line so thought flows. Use enjambment to carry the sentence over line breaks while keeping 5 iambs. When you need emphasis, place a trochee at the start, but use such substitutions sparingly. They draw attention. Once you draft a couple lines, read aloud and adjust word choice so syntax supports natural stresses, because meaning must follow meter without sounding forced or mechanical. To finish, read the full passage aloud and listen for slips in the iambic pulse. You will hear where the pattern breaks. You revise by swapping synonyms, contracting words, or inverting phrases so stress lands correctly without changing meaning. If a line resists, try breaking it into 2 lines or using a caesura. These choices preserve sense while restoring rhythm. If problems persist, record yourself and mark weak beats. Then rework only those words until the meter feels effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.